beautiful hair, the desire of so many women and reason for increased consumer demand for high-quality hair extensions. Customized hair extensions as unique as the women who wear them. Colors, textures, lengths, and incredible variety, all ethically sourced and traceable. But where does it come from? And how does it become the world's best extensions? Everything begins on the other side of the globe. India. Although there is distance between us and this emerging country, we have something important in common. No other hair has such similarity to North American and European hair than Indian hair, and nowhere else in the world is it donated voluntarily in such quantities. Long hair here in India has a particular importance. Indian women cut off and donate their hair several times in their life. Thousands of women go to the temples to sacrifice their hair. They do this as a devotion to their god or goddess. They say goodbye to what was so important to them for years, their hair. It is an ancient ritual to sacrifice one's hair. Often, whole families do it, even men and children. We can see it among all social groups. Even the wealthy do it.
2 times I've done hair tonsuring. It was for a devotion. I had a prayer for my family as well as for a business prosperity. So that is why I've given my hair to the god.
But what happens to the hair afterwards? The temple hair goes through many stages before it is transformed into extensions. Because machines are not suitable for these processes, this work must be done by hand. After a final quality inspection, the hair is flown to Europe. In Nepi near Rome, the valuable hair from India is processed to high-quality extensions. Here, the hair from India is stored for production. First, strands of hair from each bundle go through special tests to measure their elasticity and to confirm that the hair's cuticle layer is still intact. The analysis of each hair bundle shows if the hair is chemically treated or colored. If testing indicates the hair has been subjected to chemical processing, it cannot be used for the production of great lengths. After testing, the hair is then sewn onto muslin fabric to keep the strands in root to end alignment and organized through the production processes. The next step is depigmentation. This is a patented osmosis process for removing the hair's original color without the use of damaging bleach or ammonia derivatives. In this great lengths exclusive process, the hair's color is lifted only as much as is required for depositing its new color. Now we move to the color room where the hair's new color is processed. Only textile dyes made exclusively for great lengths are used. Their formulations are ideal for developing color-fast hair. The color process is performed in small batches by hand by master colorists to accommodate the sensitivities of the hair. This process develops the base colors required for the next step of hand blending the colors. First, the hair is gently dried. No aggressive heat is used. After drying again, the length is inspected. Like natural hair, each color of great lengths extensions are comprised of many different shades. Blending the multiple shades by hand to create one natural appearing color is done in the blending department. As it is throughout the production process, the technicians must take great care to maintain the hair's root-to-end alignment. After the blending, the hair is pulled back into one length. This means that the hair is sorted until the length of all of the hair in this batch is of the same length, root to end. The next step is the preparation for attaching the bond. This is what attaches the extensions to one's natural hair. First, the root end of the hair is pressed. Then, the bonding strips are pressed onto the hair. The bonded hair is then placed into the printing machine that shapes, imprints, and cuts the individual great length spans. Training is the most important part of the services of great lengths, because the entire elaborate process of producing high-quality extensions would be of no value if the extensions aren't applied in a correct and professional manner. The meticulous custom application process is taught to hairdressers in a comprehensive certification training facilitated by experienced educators. Now, everything is ready for a masterfully applied, perfectly blended, great lengths application.